They feature a gorgeous heavyweight black denim that's washed, faded, and finished with this unique green overdye. The end product? A Rorschach test for your crotch. Greetings and salutations from beautiful West Palm Beach, Florida. Welcome back to my channel. First of all, can we talk about how fuego this little yachty tee is? It's definitely one of my favorite t-shirts. I took the walk. After my last vlog video, go check that out here if you haven't already. It's no longer a secret that I work for an Australian-based denim brand Ksubi down in Miami. So I wanted to show off some of the pieces I picked up from the newest collection. This collection is colorful, playful, and features some really fun denim washes, as well as some cool graphics to tie it all together. These are all pieces from Drop 1, and Drop 2 should be out around the time this video comes out, actually. Now, if y'all are fucking with this one, I might do a second one for the pieces I like in Drop 2. Also, as an aside, I have worn all these pieces. I've also washed a few of them too, so you're really getting a more natural look after a little bit of wear, a little bit of time, how it's gonna kind of hold up over time. And I gotta say, the quality is actually really great. All right, enough rambling. Let's get into the pieces. For starters, let's take a look at this banger. Straight from Ksubi's excellent women's collection, the Unity Slouch hoodie in black. I love the bold Unity graphic across the chest that finishes with that Y on the shoulder. It's such a cool implementation that harkens back to those coveted 90s graphics. What really got me about this one though is the oversized crop cut that stops right above my waist. It's right on trend, and it really lets me layer my Ksubi 4x4 tee under it, giving those T-box logos a little bit of room to peek out. For reference, I'm about 5'7", 200 pounds, and I got an XL, which I believe is the largest size this is offered in. It's definitely not gonna work for you taller guys, but for you short boys like me, this will be a banger for you for the winter. This hoodie comes in at $180 and is both cozy and stylish. This one will keep you warm and fresh all season long. For the next piece, let's take a look at these Ksubi Van Winkle Collective skinny fit jeans in white. Now, I'm not generally a fan of white jeans, but the patches, the colors, the design were too dope to pass on. Since the base is a simple white, the embroidery are the real MVP on these. There are a variety of colors to work with, and these are very flexible when it comes to matching with your tops and your kicks. They are made with a heavy duty cotton that includes a little bit of stretch for a more comfortable fit and feel. Coming in at $280, these were amongst my favorites from the drop, and I'm looking forward to getting a ton of wear out of these this season and even in the following seasons. Sliding back into tops, Ksubi makes a fantastic camp collar vacation shirt. I copped this resort short sleeve shirt in Zoo for a number of different reasons, starting with its lightweight, flowy fabric. Now, if you watched enough of my videos, you know your boy can't say no to a flowy shirt. But the real reason I copped this particular shirt, the excellent zebra pattern that's enhanced by the subtle stars filled with that contrasting cheetah pattern. It's the best of both worlds. The fit is boxy and relaxed, however, it still hugs my shoulders. This one comes in at $180 and is totally worth it for the year-round summer that is South Florida. Swinging back over to denim, Ksubi hit the ball out of the park once again with these Van Winkle skinny fit jeans in what I think is Reakt. They feature a gorgeous heavyweight black denim that's washed, faded, and finished with this unique green overdye. The end product? A Rorschach test for your crotch. Now that's thinking with your head. Bad crotch jokes aside, these were one of the standout pieces from the Unity collection. There's also a matching denim jacket if you really want to unlock that gold mindfuck achievement. These come in at $260, a small price to pay for a pair of jeans that'll break every neck you pass. Lastly, we have another cozy piece from the collection. This time it's the Unity Kash hoodie in black. It's made in a loop back fleece and it's oh so comfy. I promise you'll want to live in it. This is what I like to call one of those glue pieces in the collection, as the graphic and the colors seamlessly tie back to most of the denim in this drop. The time for Unity design is an easy message to get behind and is more relevant today than ever. It also features that signature Ksubi 4x4 T-box design on the back, just to add a little bit of intrigue to the look. This one will set you back a cool 200 bones, but I promise you, this is the hoodie to get you through the season. Well, we've reached the end, my friends. So many good pieces in this drop. It was hard for me to narrow it down to 5 pieces. I will say that, as usual, the denim is my favorite part of this drop. Ksubi really played with some unique wash techniques that created some of the coolest denim I've seen in a long while. I wanted to pick up more, but even with a discount, I just couldn't cop all the pieces that I wanted to cop. Plus, as I said in the beginning, drop 2 is right around the corner, and there are about 3 to 5 must-have pairs in that drop. Thanks for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and please help your mans out by clicking that little like button down there at the bottom. And if you're digging this and any of my other content, please click that subscribe button. It's free 99, but it really helps me grow my channel. Next up, a video topic I think we're all passionate about one way or another. The style for this one's gonna be very different from my usual content, and I'm super excited to deliver this one. This one should be dropping soon, so turn those post notifications on so you'll know when it drops. Of course, you can always follow me on Instagram, where I post fit pics, inspo, music I'm listening to, pretty much whatever. And of course, the candle is from Voicemails, this time Slow Burn, which is a collaboration with Casey Musgraves. Now, keeping a buck with you, I don't know who she is, but I fuck with this candle super hard. In fact, I just opened this one for this video, which I've already recorded one time, but messed up the audio. So hopefully this is the last time I'm gonna have to record this particular video. But anyway, shout out to y'all. Thank you for kicking in and watching it. I appreciate it. Rock with your boy. You know what to do. Click them buttons. You know what I'm saying? Leave a comment below. Let me know what you rocking with. Let me know if you copying any of that Ksubi. But anyway, in the meantime, until the next time, peace.